The first game we will play is Doom 1. And after going through hordes of demons on the moon bases of Phobos and Deimos, we have reached the first true boss, the Cyber Demon. Built with cybernetics fused to organic flesh, he is the leader of this hell invasion. You've done it! The hideous cyber demon lord that ruled the lost Deimos moon base has been slain, and you are triumphant. But where are you? You clamber to the edge of the moon and look down to see the awful truth. Deimos floats above hell itself. You've never heard of anyone escaping from hell. But you'll make the bastards sorry if they ever heard of you. Quickly, you rappel down to the surface of hell. Now it's on to the final chapter of Doom, Inferno. As we get to the end of Inferno, we face the final boss of Doom 1, the Spider Mastermind, conceived out of a nightmare, orchestrating the invasion of the Deimos moon base. We must destroy this machine. The loathsome spider demon that masterminded the invasion of the moon bases and caused so much death has its ass kicked for all time. A hidden doorway opens, you enter. You've proven too tough for hell to contain, and now hell at last plays fair. For you emerge from the door to see the green fields of Earth. Home, at last. You wonder what's been happening on Earth while you were battling evil unleashed. It's good that no hellspawn could have come through that door with you. After we have completed all 4 episodes of Ultimate Doom, we have gone on to the next game, Doom 2. And as we can see in the picture, perhaps there is a foreshadowing of the things to come in this game. After we battled through 29 levels of Doom 2, we have finally reached the true source of this hell invasion, the icon of sin. The horrendous visage of the biggest demon you've ever seen crumbles before you. After you pump your rockets into his exposed brain, the monster shrivels up and dies. Its thrashing limbs devastating untold miles of hell's surface. You've done it. The invasion is over. Earth is saved. Hell is a wreck. You wonder where bad folks will go when they die now. Wiping the sweat from your forehead, you begin the long trek back home. Rebuilding Earth ought to be a lot more fun than ruining it was. The last game we will play of the classic Doom series is Final Doom. Once again, the UAC shows their collective incompetence and opens up a hellhole on a remote base on Io. Now we must clean up the mess. The first episode we will play is TNT. Suddenly, all is silent. From one horizon to the other, the agonizing echo of hell fades away. The nightmare sky turns to blue. The heaps of monster corpses start to evaporate along with evil stench that filled the air. Jeez, maybe you've done it. Have you really won? Something rumbles in the distance. A blue light begins to glow inside the ruined skull of the demon spitter. We have now reached the last episode of the classic Doom series. Plutonia Hell has thrown everything they had against us, and now we have reached the final level. The gatekeeper's evil face is splattered all over the place as its staggered corpse collapses. An inverted gate opens and sucks down the shards of the last prototype accelerator, not to mention the few remaining demons. You've done it. Hell has gone back to pounding bad dead folks again instead of the good live ones. Remember to tell your grandkids to put a rocket launcher in your coffin. If you go to hell when you die, you'll need it for some final cleaning up. We now move on to Doom 3, a reincarnation of the classic Doom series. The UAC has once again opened up a passage to hell, and now we must retrieve the weapon that's only capable of destroying this great cyber demon, the Soul Cube. Once we retrieve the Soul Cube, we return to Mars, and we go down into a deep hole into the planet to face our true adversary.
Swan, give me a visual status. Echo 1, this is Recon Zulu. We've got massive damage all over the base. This place looks like hell. I've got life signs on the bioscanner. Eyes sharp. Echo 1, we've got a survivor, a Marine. Corporal, you hear me? You alright? Can you hear me? Echo 1, this is Recon Zulu. Prepare for medevac. Copy that. Have you located Counselor Swan? Yes, sir. He's dead. Roger, Recon 1. What about Dr. Betruger? He's nowhere to be found, sir.
What did you hope to accomplish by coming here, mortal? You have something that belongs to me, and I want it.
Marine, welcome home.